What up, everybody?
What up, what up?
I'm Ruben.
And I'm Lori.
We are
Life After Kids, Journey Unknown.
A couple of free birds who decided to sell everything and live full-time in a Class C motorhome.
In order to find a purpose beyond parenting.
Seek adventures.
And reignite passions.
So come along as we figure out this nomad lifestyle.
And hopefully we can inspire you to
feel the free.
Love our life!
Yeah.
So don't forget to smack that subscribe button.
Karate chop that notification bell to see when all our videos drop. Don't miss a thing.
Don't, because it's going to be a bumpy ride. Let's go!
Buckle up, Buttercup.
Woohoo!
Find you guys everywhere.
There is the legend.
We're here for our kids. We're here for the kids.
Hey, baby. Hi, Willow. Hi, Willow.
Hooky here.
Hi, Mamas. Hi. This is the legend and the man. So you guys will be the first ones to get our sticker.
Nice, thanks.
Oh, Life After
There
Kids,
you go.
Journey Unknown. CJ, I am so a sticker kind of person. And look at this.
Amazing Ari.
Boop. Ruben's going to tell us this story.
I come back from work and I get home and I open the door and right away I smell paint. I'm like, what the hell? Hey, why does it smell like paint? And I go, what the hell's going on? One wall is all blue, sand and rock, and it's like it's a whole scene. And I'm like, oh my god.
Oh.
I go,
This is in the house.
I did a mural.
This looks great. And then I started to watch TV and I said, wait a minute, what the heck? There's a blue tint on every damn thing. Our TV, our computer. Oh my god. Everything had a blue shade to it. I was like, oh my god. Let me tell you, and our desktop computer was not in our room. Our room, there was a little hallway, and then there was a bar, and then around the corner from the bar was the computer. Why did that have blue spray if it was only in the bedroom?
Did you have any fans or air conditioning?
I don't know.
I mean, granted, it came out great.
That is an artist story. So you do murals on your wall with spray paint?
When she's bored, yes.
I was bored. Here we go. Death in a
Look at
jar.
that. Look at that. I'm not taking a scoop. Just
Oh
dipping.
yeah, don't take a scoop.
I can smell the yummy flavor. Oh! You said it took a few chips to hit.
No. Well, it took a few chips for me to hit, but woo, yeah, eat a couple more chips.
That is delicious. But man,
Like the flavor, right? The flavor is
yeah,
fantastic.
you can smell it when you're like taking that first bite. I'm going to tell you how long the heat lasts in my mouth. My nose is already running. Oh.
Oh my gosh, he's going in again.
I'm going in.
Damn it! Wow, you
Where's
are.
your cognac?
All right, honestly,
You didn't give me
dance.
the other dip.
Yeah, look at all the seeds in there.
No.
Oh yeah.
It's good. It's hot.
Oh, he got a
Yeah.
big chunk.
I did that the first one. I wanted to get a good taste.
Oh
of
shoot, he's going
No,
again.
no.
Oh, I thought he was gonna do it again.
Come on, man. Hair of the dog.
Yeah, bro. The RV show is massive, bro.
We got a
And
couple
there's-
things going on.
And there's a ton of shit going on outside the tent.
But we've been on the road since December 1st. Yeah.
We got on the road December 1st.
Oh, I thought you'd been
December
doing it a
1st of
while.
last year.
Oh
What
no.
made you want to do that?
The kids, they told
the
us to get
kids.
us alive.
Yeah. Yo, where are you? We have our own lives. You guys need to do something for yourselves. Did he just tell us to get a life? Batted a bunch of things around and came up with this great idea. Sold
Everything.
Yeah.
Have you ever regretted it?
No.
Oh, not
So you
at
sell the
all.
house,
The
you
very
sell
opposite
your-
of my first marriage.
So you sold the house, you sold everything, you get the RV, and you, what was your criteria? Did you look at other RVs?
You can see the whole journey on YouTube, but yes.
It's documented.
It is documented.
hope this doesn't freak you out, Lori, but when you lock the door from the inside, there's a little button you press and it goes beep. Those little red light flashes, right? It's supposed to deactivate the outside keypad, but you know, I'd rather have the lock.
Yeah, sometimes those don't work either. Dad and I had a little shower run-in.
It was a date.
Someone forgot to leave the lock the door.
Yes.
The beauty with having friends that are staying at an RV park means you get to go take a shower. So we're gonna go get clean and fresh.
Oh yeah.
We'll be back. Ooh, now we're all fresh and so clean.
Oh, feels good. Forgot what a shower was like after we left that story.
Oh, it was nice, hot.
Oh yeah.
Time to get back to our rig.
Yep. There may be some gambling later.
Leppy is lonely without us.
Yeah, she's waiting for us. We need to get back, and we're actually kind of anxious.
We're a little anxious and having a panic attack. Let's get it straight. I'm having a panic attack.
As you're watching this video, she's having a panic attack.
Yes, I am straight in panic attack mode because this is the longest we've left her by herself.
Yeah.
In a strange neighborhood.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I'm even comfortable staying there.
Yeah, no.
I think we're gonna leave.
Yeah, we're not.
So stay tuned. Hopefully everything's okay when we get there. We'll soon find out. Well, we decided to hit the road, go find a casino. Think we're gonna go to Atlantis.
The legend and the
Legend
man.
and the man are right behind us, following us, and we're gonna go have some fun. So let's go. We're gonna drive to the Atlantis. Woohoo! That's right. We're gonna win big. Mary's like, don't you know who I am? Who am I right now? I'm the legend.
The legend, Mary Bird.
Don't you know?
In the house. Oh, if you pee in the ocean, nobody knows because it's already salt water.
Just the
That's
fish.
what I heard.
Just the fish. Just the fish.
All right, we're scoping the place out for some good vibes.
Yes.
And penny machines.
Yeah.
Because we got that $20.
Yeah, we have that $20
rule.
to spend.
Yes. No more than $20 because this is what budget. Oh, here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Big money, no women. Oh yeah.
She's cashing in and cashing out. I'm dashing in, I'm dashing out.
Drake.
A fucking $1.25 on a max bet of 5 cards. 25 cents a card. But no, at the Atlantis, it's $12.50.
5 spins with $50. Never.
That's not much.
How nice! I can't believe that. It's never goodbye, right?
No, just see you later.
That's right. Mwah. This is my Mary Bird, my legend, my woman in waiting.
Yeah, we'll see you around.
Yes.
For
See you
sure.
around. But we will definitely see you next summer.
Yes.
Oh, we're gonna cause havoc at the Canway. They don't even know what they're
Lots of
doing.
adventures. Let's go.
Let's go. Till we meet again.
Yes.
Excuse me.
Wow.
Ruben wasn't supposed to
He
be
knows
here.
I like it rough.
Wow. With the buckle. Nice.
That's how she likes it.
Yeah.